Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen flashing when receiving notifications on Android 2025. Let's begin. Now, this is a very specific issue, and luckily there is a nice specific way to fix that. First, you want to go into settings, then you want to scroll all the way down and head into accessibility. Now you want to scroll almost all the way down until you will go into audio tab, which is right here. And as you can see, the second option called flash notifications is currently on. Let's click that, and as you can see, it will now flash the camera light or the screen when you receive the notifications on when alarms sound. Currently it is enabled and is set to violet. Of course we could switch the color, but we want to get rid of it, so now we simply disable it, and now random color flashes are no more. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.